Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. Today's video is exciting because it is nearly that time of year where the elf comes to visit, or maybe the elf has already made an appearance in your home. We absolutely love it when the elf comes to stay, and even more exciting is that I decided to adopt a new elf this year, which came in this box straight from the North Pole. I am so excited for the boys to see. And we thought, me and this elf, that it would be a good idea to share some silly, naughty ideas for them to get up to in the night, especially for any elves that maybe are running a little short on time and maybe have rushed back from the North Pole and haven't had much time to plan something. So yeah, we're going to share some ideas of little bits of mischief that they can get up to. So I will get straight into the video. So this is our new little elf, and this is so exciting. It comes with a book to explain to you exactly why the elf comes every Christmas, and if you go online you can also print off his adoption certificate, which I think is really, really special. The first thing that our naughty little elf got up to was scaling the boys' wardrobe doors using these present bows. Next, he thought it'd be fun to make some toilet paper snowflakes, so he started cutting them all out with the scissors. Now, him and his little friend decided to have a little competition sledging down the stairs. So one is in a slipper and the other has made a sledge from candy canes. Now, this is a very naughty little trick to play. He is replacing the middles of Oreos with toothpaste. Time to relax now and have a little pamper. He has set himself up in the bath to have a bubble bath. These pair have decided to make themselves a little snow castle out of toilet rolls, and they've got a little candle to have a little campfire with. Now he has set himself up a little elf car wash, and he is washing all of the boys' cars. He's now been even more helpful and is helping to decorate the tree, and has used some of this wrapping paper to make himself a little bit taller. Elves are known for having a very sweet tooth, and we have caught him drinking straight from the syrup jar. He has now decided to raid the baking cupboard and use lots of these sprinkles to make sprinkle angels. This time one is being a lot cheekier than the other one, and he has locked his poor friend in the blender. These cheeky elves have now been in the boys' underwear drawer and have decided to redecorate their Christmas tree with all of their pants. Now he has decided to set up a snowball fight for the boys with balls of scrap paper. The elves have now decided to give themselves a little ride in the washing machine and have attached themselves to the side of the drum so that they can get spun around and round. And they have somehow now managed to get themselves stuck inside the oven. The little elf has now found a very inventive way of getting in the sweet jar, and he has used all these tins to climb up onto the worktop to get in all the lollies. Elves also love board games, and he has somehow managed to get himself stuck inside a game of Jenga. Now they have both decided to have a snowball fight using little marshmallows with the bigger marshmallows as their little wall. He has decided to find another use for a mask and is using it as a hammock just to have a little rest. These elves sure do love chocolate, and I have caught him in the act eating all of the Christmas chocolates. One of the naughty little elves has decided to wrap the other one up, and I have just caught him ready to put the bow on him. And here he is now popping out of the Coco Pops. What a little surprise that will be for the boys when they get their bowl of cereal in the morning. This time the elf has left the boys a little note where he has made a love heart out of some candy canes. And then just in case the elf needs to isolate it all, then he has got this very handy elf isolation jar where he can sit for a couple of days and the boys can even carry him round. So that is 24 Elf on the Shelf ideas. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and I will see you again for my next one. Take care everyone. Bye.